Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Matt from Tech Horizon, and today I'm showcasing the silver Dualshock 4 controller for the PlayStation 4. Now, currently, Sony is having a sale for their PlayStation 4 controllers, their consoles, and on the PlayStation Store you can find various titles on sale for their Days of Play event going on until June 18th. Now, I purchased this controller from GameStop for $40, and currently if you trade in a older PlayStation 4 controller, you can get up to $24 in credit if you're an Elite Pro member, or $22 if you're a Pro member. Now, so what I did is I traded in that old 20th anniversary controller that I had previously purchased. The buttons were getting sticky, the thumbsticks were kind of, iffy, the options keys was really sticky, and even after I cleaned it, I couldn't get it to work very well. So I ended up trading that controller in. It wasn't the greatest condition. I got $24 for it, and I basically upgraded to this controller for the difference. So I actually do like this controller a lot more. The silver definitely flashes out, and this is actually one of my favorite colors that they offer. Of course, the steel black was sold out everywhere, at least at GameStop for that matter. So, that's actually the one I probably would have went with had it not been sold out. But anyways, let's do a quick little unboxing and showcase the controller. Alright, so I have the controller unboxed. As you can see, the nice silver finish in the front. Really pops out to the eyes. It looks really nice. And I mentioned in my previous video unboxing of the Crystal Clear edition that the back panel has that ugly gray. Unfortunately, this controller has it as well. It's just that ugly secondary panel. If you look at the first generation PlayStation 4 controllers, they had this. They had them all in black, as you can see here. Which looked a little better on the eyes. I'm not saying that black would go better with the silver. What I'm saying is hopefully Sony changes it so that both of the sides of the controllers match that controller you bought. Because otherwise, what's the point? The front looks nice, yeah, but then you can even see the back panel from the front. So that's kind of annoying. Xbox One used to have that same problem, but with their Xbox One S controller series, the whole controller matches that color, which really speaks to me more so than this. Like if you get a special edition controller, the whole controller is that color, With PlayStation, you get these special edition controllers and they got these nice little designs just on the front, and it's just too plain. Why spend all that money when the controllers just seem the same except for the front plate. But Sony is showing signs of changing that. If you look at the new styled limited edition Days of Play console, the color is kind of like the wave blue, but the controller has both of that wave blue colors on either side. So hopefully that's the direction that Sony is finally going. They should have done this in the second iteration. The only difference with these controllers is the light bar is now visible from the front of the controller. And it really is visible. You can clearly see that light up orange when I plug it into charge. And that's nice and all, but the light bar, in my opinion, is not really that useful. I don't really use it a lot other than telling which controller is player 1, which controller is player 2. But yeah, and another feature that this new DualShock 2.0 has is that you can plug the controller directly through USB and control your games that way instead of just Bluetooth like the old style. But other than that, that's as far as the changes are in this iteration. They believe they changed this controller when the PlayStation 4 Slim came out. So hopefully they'll be doing some new ones that both of the colors match, and maybe they'll throw in a new feature. I'm kind of disappointed in the speakers. There's not really a lot of games that use it, as far as I could tell. I played all the heavy hitters like God of War, Last of Us, and Uncharted, and a lot of the games don't even use it, so you might as well just get rid of it, maybe put something else there. But either way, that's just me being picky. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Definitely drop a like and subscribe for more. I do plan on doing some kind of E3 2018 impressions. Hopefully I'll do another video with a vlog in regards to that. But let me just showcase the controller up close if I can, just so you can see one last time. And again, this is definitely one of my favorite colors. I wish I could have got the steel black. Hopefully, I'll wait and get a new iteration of that. If Sony releases a new iteration of that color, hopefully we'll get both of the sides the same color. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.